If you're over 60, your body could be silently losing muscle every night while you sleep. Without proper nutrition before bed, your muscles may be breaking down to provide the body with energy during the overnight fasting period. This process is called catabolism, and it hits older adults harder because of something known as anabolic resistance. Your body becomes less efficient at using protein as you age. Even if you eat well during the day, your body might not be getting what it needs at night to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Over time, this can lead to serious muscle loss, reduced strength, and increased risk of falls and frailty. But there's good news. Eating the right foods before bed can reduce this breakdown, support overnight repair, and even stimulate new muscle growth while you rest. Today, on Healthy Front, we'll explore 8 science-backed bedtime foods that help stop muscle loss and promote strength, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Let's start with food number 8, cottage cheese. This humble dairy food is a powerhouse for overnight muscle support, thanks to its high content of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids over 6 to 8 hours. Unlike whey, which digests quickly, casein provides a long-lasting protein supply, ideal for the body's recovery phase during sleep. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate casein-rich foods like cottage cheese before bed saw a 31% increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight. Eat 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Optional. Add banana slices, potassium for muscle relaxation, chia seeds, omega-3s, or cinnamon for taste. It's also rich in tryptophan, which helps promote better sleep, and is generally easy to digest, even for those with mild dairy sensitivities. If you've been waking up stiff or weaker than the day before, this could be a simple, affordable solution. Next, a compact, protein-rich food that helps trigger your body's natural muscle-building hormones while you sleep. Food number 7, hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are one of the most efficient, nutrient-dense bedtime snacks for preserving muscle in adults over 60. They're small, easy to prepare, and incredibly effective thanks to their high-quality complete protein and key muscle-preserving amino acid, leucine. Each egg contains around 6 grams of complete protein, meaning it delivers all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle maintenance and repair. Leucine, in particular, is critical for activating muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults experiencing anabolic resistance, a natural decline in the body's ability to use protein efficiently after age 60. In a 2021 study published in Nutrients, older adults who consumed whole eggs before bed had a 19% greater muscle retention rate than those who didn't. Even more impressively, they showed elevated levels of IGF-1, a natural growth hormone that supports tissue healing and muscle regeneration. This makes eggs especially valuable for seniors looking to slow age-related muscle decline, recover from activity, or simply stay stronger, longer. How to use them. Eat 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs about 30 minutes before bed. They're low in sugar, low in carbs, and gentle on the stomach, making them perfect for a light nighttime snack. Boost benefits by adding a few avocado slices for healthy fats, a dash of turmeric and black pepper, a slice of whole grain toast for steady nighttime energy. If you're someone who doesn't feel very hungry at night, eggs are ideal. There's no prep at bedtime. Just boil ahead of time, peel, and eat. They won't spike your blood sugar, they digest easily, and they provide exactly what your muscles need during sleep: a steady, complete source of high-impact protein. Food number 6, tuna in olive oil. Next on the list is a pantry staple that's often overlooked: tuna packed in olive oil. While it may not sound like a traditional bedtime snack, this combination of lean protein and healthy fats makes it one of the best foods for overnight muscle repair. especially for older adults. Tuna is one of the leanest protein sources available, delivering a rich supply of leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Just a few forkfuls provide a complete, high-quality protein source your body can use right away. What makes this snack particularly effective is the olive oil. Unlike tuna packed in water, olive oil adds monounsaturated fats that slow down digestion, keeping amino acids circulating in your bloodstream longer to support muscles all night long. In a 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed a protein and omega-3 rich snack like tuna in olive oil saw a 34% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to low-fat or no snack groups. Additional findings included improved vitamin D absorption, reduced inflammatory markers, less muscle soreness in the morning. How to use it. Eat 1-2 can of tuna packed in olive oil about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. You can enjoy it with a few whole grain crackers or cucumber slices, topped with lemon juice or a light sprinkle of sea salt. Plain, straight from the can if you prefer simplicity. Avoid heavy sauces or mayo. They can be harder to digest and interfere with sleep. Tuna is also one of the best natural sources of leucine. And since your body's leucine sensitivity drops with age, getting more of it before bed helps protect against sarcopenia, the gradual muscle loss tied to aging. Takeaway: tuna in olive oil delivers fast-access protein and long-lasting energy, ideal for muscle preservation during sleep. Next, a creamy, probiotic-rich food that supports muscle repair, gut health, and better sleep, all in one spoonful. Food. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty snack. It's a muscle-preserving, gut-supporting powerhouse that can work wonders while you sleep. Especially for adults over 60, it offers the perfect mix of slow-digesting, casein protein, probiotics, and essential minerals like calcium, all critical for recovery, strength, and restful sleep. What sets Greek yogurt apart is its triple-strain texture, which removes extra sugar and increases its protein content compared to regular yogurt. Just half a cup can provide 10 to 15 grams of high-quality protein, ideal for maintaining lean muscle overnight. The casein in yogurt slowly releases amino acids over several hours, helping your body rebuild while you rest, and the probiotics support better digestion, so you absorb more nutrients from your food, a key factor in muscle recovery and immune support as you age. In a clinical study published in Frontiers in Nutrition, older adults who ate high-protein Greek yogurt before bed experienced a 26% boost in muscle mitochondrial activity and better morning energy, all within just 6 weeks. How to use it? Eat 1 to 2 cups of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Enhance it with a few fresh berries for antioxidants, a sprinkle of chia seeds for omega-3s and fiber, a dash of vanilla extract or cinnamon for flavor without added sugar. Avoid flavored yogurts with added sugar. They can disrupt sleep and limit protein absorption. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, which supports bone strength, regulates muscle contractions, and contributes to more consistent, cramp-free sleep. Plus, the tryptophan content helps you relax and fall asleep more easily. If you wake up stiff or groggy, this simple bedtime snack could be the solution, nourishing your muscles, aiding digestion, and improving overall energy by morning. Takeaway: Greek yogurt is an all-in-one bedtime food, rich in protein, probiotics, and recovery-enhancing nutrients. Next, discover a golden bedtime drink that calms inflammation, soothes your muscles, and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Food number 4, warm milk with turmeric. This golden drink is more than just a comforting bedtime tradition. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory muscle recovery tool, especially for adults over 60. Combining warm milk with a pinch of turmeric creates a soothing, protein-rich beverage that supports overnight healing and deeper sleep. Let's break it down. Milk naturally contains casein protein, calcium, and tryptophan, all crucial for muscle repair, bone health, and restful sleep. As we age, our bodies benefit from slow-digesting proteins like casein, which keep amino acids available for muscle rebuilding during the 6 to 8 hour fasting period of sleep. Now, add turmeric, a golden spice with the active compound curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. For older adults struggling with joint pain, inflammation, or muscle soreness, turmeric can be a game changer. In a 2022 nutritional neuroscience study, older adults who drank a protein-rich beverage before bed experienced a 32% increase in nighttime muscle protein synthesis. When turmeric was added, they also reported less joint pain, lower inflammation, and reduced morning stiffness. How to make it? Warm 1 cup of milk. Don't boil. If you're sensitive to dairy, choose a 2-milk or plant-based options like almond or soy milk with added protein and calcium. Add 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Optional, a few drops of honey or cinnamon for flavor. Stir well and drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Even plant-based versions can be effective, as long as they contain added protein and calcium. This soothing drink does 3 things at once. Fuels muscles with slow-release protein. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Helps calm your nervous system for deeper sleep. Takeaway. This simple golden milk isn't just warm and relaxing. It actively supports your body's ability to recover, rebuild, and rest better overnight. Next, we'll reveal a creamy spread that's rich in magnesium and healthy fats, perfect for seniors needing muscle protection and steady overnight energy. Food number 3, almond butter. Almond butter isn't just a tasty spread. It's a nutrient-dense, slow-digesting snack that helps preserve muscle, improve sleep quality, and reduce stress-related muscle breakdown in adults over 60. This creamy spread is loaded with healthy fats to slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar, plant-based protein for muscle repair, magnesium to relax muscles and improve sleep, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant for tissue recovery. Together, these nutrients make almond butter an ideal pre-bedtime option for seniors who need steady overnight nourishment without a heavy meal. A 2020 study published in Nutrients found that older adults who consumed a small serving of almond fat before bed experienced lower cortisol levels, a stress hormone that breaks down muscle, and a 17% improvement in nighttime nitrogen retention, which reflects better muscle preservation. How to use it? Eat 1 tablespoon of almond butter about 30 minutes before bed. It's effective whether eaten straight off the spoon, spread on whole grain toast or seed crackers, paired with apple slices for a bit of sweetness and fiber. Make sure to choose natural almond butter, the kind that separates and requires stirring. Avoid versions with added sugars or hydrogenated oils, which can cancel out the health benefits. Almond butter is especially helpful if you have a low appetite at night, struggle to sleep through the night, wake up with cramps or stiffness. The high magnesium content helps relax muscles and ease restlessness, while healthy fats provide sustained energy throughout the night, preventing blood sugar crashes that might disrupt sleep. Takeaway: almond butter delivers a powerful combo of muscle-supporting protein, calming magnesium, and healthy fats, all in just 1 spoonful. Food number 2, tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is more than just a tangy bedtime drink. It's a natural remedy for muscle recovery, inflammation relief, and better sleep, especially for people over 60 who are quietly losing muscle mass overnight. This juice is rich in anthocyanins, Antioxidants with strong anti-inflammatory effects. Melatonin, a natural hormone that supports deeper, more restful sleep. Vitamin C and potassium, which aid in muscle function and repair. In a 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed experienced a 33% reduction in morning muscle stiffness, a 15% improvement in sleep quality, elevated melatonin and antioxidant levels within weeks. These benefits are particularly important for seniors dealing with joint pain, muscle tightness, or poor sleep, all of which can contribute to faster muscle loss over time. How to use it. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Make sure it's unsweetened and labeled tart cherry, not sweet cherry or cherry blend. You can dilute with water or add a splash of lemon for a refreshing twist. No need for a full glass. Even a small portion is effective. This simple drink supports your body's natural recovery cycle by reducing inflammation that wears down your muscles and joints. It also promotes growth hormone release during deep sleep, the phase when real muscle rebuilding occurs. Bonus. Tart cherry juice has also been shown to benefit joint health, especially around the knees, hips, and shoulders, common problem areas in older adults. Takeaway: tart cherry juice is a gentle, science-backed way to improve sleep, fight inflammation, and protect muscles overnight, all without medication or heavy food. Food number 1, whey protein shake. Topping the list as the most powerful muscle-preserving bedtime food is the whey protein shake. It's not just for bodybuilders. In fact, for adults over 60, it may be one of the simplest, most effective tools to stop overnight muscle loss and even promote new muscle growth. Whey protein is a complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, the amino acid that flips the switch on muscle building. After age 60, your body becomes more resistant to this signal, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. That's why older adults need more leucine-rich protein to get the same benefits. In a 2021 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed a 40-gram whey protein shake before bed experienced a 22% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis, reduced markers of muscle breakdown, measurable improvements in strength, balance, and walking speed, even without exercise. How to use it. Mix 1 scoop, 20 to 40 grams, of high-quality whey protein with water or unsweetened almond milk. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Optional mix-ins: 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla extract. Avoid heavy cream, sugary mixes, or mass gainer powders. They can interfere with digestion and sleep. If you're lactose intolerant, choose whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey. They're easier on the stomach and just as effective. Whey protein not only supports muscle repair while you sleep, it also boosts growth hormone and IGF-1, key substances for rebuilding tissue, improving recovery, and maintaining energy levels. Because shakes are light, easy to digest, and quick to prepare, they're ideal for seniors with low nighttime appetite or busy routines. Final takeaway: whey protein shakes offer the fastest, cleanest, and most powerful way to prevent age-related muscle loss while you sleep, even if you're not hitting the gym. Today we have discussed the top 8 muscle-saving bedtime foods that help seniors. Try just one tonight and feel the difference tomorrow. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Or are you already using one before bed? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing what's working for you. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Front for more senior-friendly health tips, backed by real science and made easy to follow. You can get stronger, one good night's sleep at a time. See you in the next video.